Velos, a coastal gym nested between Mount Pelion and the Pegasetic Gulf, offer a charming mix of seaside beauty, rich history, and vibrant nightlife. Whether you are stopping by before heading to the Greek islands or exploring the region's scenic villages, the city offers a variety of hotel options to suit every traveler. From luxurious seafront stays to cozy city center lounging, here are the top 10 hotels in Velos with detail on location and pricing to help you plan your stay. The first one is Dumotel Xenia Velos, located at 1 Plasteria Street, right on the waterfront. This five-star hotel offers luxurious rooms with stunning sea views, a rooftop bar, and a full-service spa. The interior are sleek and modern, perfect for couples or business travelers. Average nightly rate range between 130 to 180 euros per night. The second one is Igli Hotel, situated on Argonafton Street near the port. Igli Hotel is a favorite for its clean rooms, sea-facing balconies, and central location. It is ideal for guests wanting easy access to restaurants, the promenades, and ferry service. Rooms usually cost around 90 to 120 euros per night. The third one is Velos Palace Hotel, set near the city center at Xenophontos and Heraclon Street. This neoclassical style hotel blends elegance and comfort. It is known for its spacious rooms, city views, and excellent dining. Room prices typically range from 100 to 140 euros per night. The fourth one is Hotel Philippos, found on Iasonos Street in central Velos. Hotel Philippos offer budget-friendly comfort. Rooms are simple yet clean, and its location make it ideal for tourists. Nightly rates are affordable, usually between 60 to 85 euros per night. The next one is Hotel Kipsili, located at Agiao Nicolio Street along the seafront promenade. The hotel provides great sea views from most rooms. The on-site restaurant serves Greek cuisine and it's a lovely choice for couples. Expect to pay around 90 to 130 euros per night. The next one is Park Hotel, tucked beside a park at Diligi Orgi Street. Park Hotel is a stylish mid-range option with peaceful surroundings yet close proximity to central Velos. It suits both business and leisure travelers. Prices range from 70 to 95 euros per night. The next one is Hotel Alexandros. This family-run hotel near the railway station and Vasilios Georgios Street offer basic but comfortable accommodations. Ideal for short stays or solo travelers, room cost approximately 50 to 75 euros per night. The next one is Philoxenia Hotel. Located on Irenaeus Street, Philoxenia is a central and affordable choice. Although the amenities are basic, guests appreciate the friendly service and easy access to shops. Room rates average 45 euros to 65 euros per night. The second last is Anavros Hotel, close to Anavros Beach. This hotel provides a clean seaside setting with bright rooms offering a sea or mountain views. It is a great option for beach lovers with rate between 60 to 85 euros per night. The last one is Hotel Nefelli, located on Kumondoro Street within walking distance of the main square and ferry terminal. Nefelli offers a blend of tradition and comfort. Guests enjoy its central location and warm hospitality, with prices typically between 65 to 90 euros per night. Whether you are seeking luxury with a view or a simple place to rest while you explore this city, Velos has something for every type of traveler. These top 10 hotels offer the best in terms of comfort, location, and affordability. From the seafront to the city center, Velos warmly welcome you for an unforgettable stay.